IC741. The short form of the operational amplifier is op-amp, is a one kind of solid-state IC. The first operational amplifier is designed by Fairchild Semiconductors in the year 1963. It is the basic building block of analog electronic circuits that accomplish different types of analog signal processing tasks. These ICs uses an exterior feedback to regulate its functions, and these components are used as multi-purpose device in various electronic instruments. The 741 IC consists of two inputs and one output, namely inverting and non-inverting terminals. The 741 IC is most commonly used in various electrical and electronic circuits. The main intention of this 741 op-amp is to strengthen AC and DC signals and for mathematical operations. The applications of operational amplifier mainly involve in filters, comparators, pulse generators, oscillators, and etc. This is the IC741 pin configuration. Here, the first one, 8-pin mini DIP package. See, ICs are in different packages, are available in different packages. Here it is, the first one, dual inline package. So it's a rectangular shape. So this is 8-pin mini dual inline package IC. So here the first pin represents half set null. This is the negative terminal. Next, second pin represents inverting input terminal of operational amplifier. Here it is shown here. See, for this operational amplifier, inverting input terminal is represented with pin number 2. So at pin number 2, we should apply inverting input for this operational amplifier. And the pin number 3 represents non-inverting input terminal of this operational amplifier. Pin number 4 represents negative power supply. Pin number 8, no connection. And pin number 7, positive power supply. Pin number 6 represents output of the operational amplifier. And pin number 5, offset null, that's the positive terminal. So here the operational amplifier is represented within the 741 IC. Pin number 2 represents negative power supply, and pin number 3 represents pin number 2 represents inverting input terminal, pin number 3 represents non-inverting input terminal, and pin number 6 is the output terminal, and pin number 4 negative power supply, pin number 7 positive power supply, and pin number 1 negative offset null pin, and pin number 5 positive offset null pin, and pin number 8 no connection, and pin number 4 negative power supply, pin number 7 positive power supply. Now come to here, and this is 10-pin flat pack package. So here also same, the first one no connection, first pin no connection, and second one negative offset null pin, and third one inverting input terminal of the operational amplifier, and fourth one non-inverting input terminal of the operational amplifier, and fifth one negative power supply. Now come to this side. Here the pin number 6 represents positive offset null. Pin number 7 represents output of the operational amplifier. Pin number 8 represents positive power supply, and pin number 9 represents no connection, and pin number 10 also no connection. Now come to the another package, metal can package, 8 pin metal can package. This is also similar to 8 pin mini dual inline package, same pin configuration. Next, the fourth one, 14 pin dip dual inline package. It consists of 14 pins. Now we will see each and every pin. The first pin, second pin, 14th pin, 13th pin, 12th pins, and the 8th pin, 7th pin. No connectivity, no connections. And pin number 3 represents negative offset null pin. Pin number 4 represents inverting input terminal. Pin number 5 represents non-inverting input terminal. Pin number 10 represents output of the operational amplifier, and pin number 11 represents positive power supply, and pin number 6 represents negative power supply. So these ICs are available in different packages: dual inline package, metal can package, flat pack package, like that. Now the specifications of IC741. The input bias current for 741 IC is 7 nanoamperes to 500 nanoamperes. Input offset current is 6 nanoamperes to 200 nanoamperes. And input offset voltage from 15 microvolts to 6 millivolts DC. Input capacitance is 1.4 picofarads. Differential input range is 2 mega ohms. Adjustable range of offset voltage is minus 15 millivolts to plus 15 millivolts. Common mode rejection ratio is 19 decibels. The range of input voltage is from minus 13 volts to plus 13 volts. Voltage gain is 2 lakhs. Output voltage swing is 26 volts peak to peak. Output resistance is 750 ohms. Slew rate is 0.5 volts for microseconds. Power consumption is 85 milliwatts, and supply voltage rejection ratio is 150 microvolts per volt. The transient response inversely proportional to bandwidth. So these are the specifications of IC741 operational amplifier. Next the IC LM324. LM324 is similar to 741 operational amplifier. Here it consists of 4 operational amplifiers within the IC. 4 operational amplifiers are there. This is a 14 pin dual inline package. Here pin number 1, 2, 3 represent one operational amplifier, and pin number 5, 6, 7 another differential another operational amplifier, and pin number 14, 13, 12 one operational amplifier, pin number 10, 9, 8 another operational amplifiers. 4 operational amplifiers are present within the LM324 IC. See, for pin number 1 represents output of the first operational amplifier, and pin number 2 represents inverting input terminal of the operational amplifier, and pin number 3 represents non-inverting input terminal of the first operational amplifier, and pin number 4 positive power supply, and pin number 11 represents negative power supply. Next, for operational amplifier 2, pin number 7 is the output, and pin number 6 is inverting input terminal, and pin number 5 is the non-inverting input terminal. For operational amplifier 3, the pin number 8 is output terminal, and pin number 9 is inverting input terminal, and pin number 10 is non-inverting input terminal. Then for fourth operational amplifier, the pin number 14 represents output terminal, and pin number 13 represents inverting input terminal, and pin number 12 represents non-inverting input terminal. So this is a 14 pin dual inline package IC. The power rating of LM324 IC include The input voltage of LM324 ranges from -3 to 32 volts. Differential input voltage for LM324 IC is 32 volts. The input current for LM324 is 50 milliamps. The power dissipation is 1130 milliwatts. The storage temperature ranges from -65 to 150 degrees centigrade, and supply voltage for LM324 is 32 volts. LM324 IC features: the frequency compensated within IC for unity gain, and DC voltage gain is large, that is 100 decibels. The bandwidth is very wide, that is 1 megahertz. The range of power supply is very wide, and for single voltage supply ranges from 3 volts to 32 volts, basically independent for supply voltage. The range of differential input voltage is equivalent to the voltage power supply. The output voltage swing ranges from 0 volts to 1.5 volts. 0 volts to 15 volts. Thank you.